What's up, guys? In this video we're going back to 2018 Ponies in the Smokies. This is what I like to call the lost drone footage. My buddy Dennis Steppe of Rebel Custom Paint and Racing, nice enough to bring his drone up the first couple of years for us, shoot some footage. We planned on doing something with it. A little bit of it showed up in our video. The raw footage never really got posted. It's been on my hard drive ever since. It's a little too good not to share. Keep in mind this is 2018. Looking at the parking lot. It's not full like it was in 2019. Yeah, we had a lot more cars in 2019. In 2020, we're gonna pack the house. March 25th to the 28th. If you like any of those Mustangs, cool cars, Fords, Sevierville, Tennessee, Ponies in the Smokies is the place to be. Come check it out. We're expecting close to 1,000 cars this year. I think we had like 700-800 last year. This will be our 4th year. Show keeps growing and growing and growing. Those of y'all that don't know, I'm one of the 4 promoters of the show. It's one of my many hats I wear. So check it out, poniesinsmokies.com. For now, enjoy the lost drone footage. Be sure and like. If you don't already subscribe to the channel. Thanks, guys.